What is going on, traders? This is my first day back from New Year's trading. Today is January the 4th, 2019. Took a break for the winter and I'm back trading. These markets are still very volatile. Today is Friday and there shouldn't be much news. I took 3 trades today, and I'll recap these 3 trades. First trade here, I was looking to short, expecting a reversal around the 97s, 2497s here. It already breached 2497s and it's pulled back here, and I'm just stalking for a short, looking at the order flow. So I'm seeing that it's coming down, retracing back up. I'm trying to figure out when the shorts, if the shorts would be stronger and overtake the buys here. So I'm waiting for liquidity to come in, waiting for prices to push in. I see that liquidity's flashing in and out in the high 97s, 98s area, and I entered. I got pretty much FOMO'd. I entered early. I should have waited for it to pull back to the high 97s before I entered. I entered 2 contracts. I did wait for the second contract, the price to pull back before I entered the second contract, so I scaled in. Speed it up here. I put in my first scale out, and that gets triggered. Scaled out, I think it was about 4 ticks or so. Yeah. And here I'm looking for my second target, looking for it to retrace back. At this point in the day, it hasn't established its IB high yet. Still within the first hour. See that liquidity is pushing down. I think I get about 30 ticks up on this trade, but I couldn't scale out here. And stupid me, I am just looking around like a chicken with its head cut off. I'm not sure where to place my target. Watching it roll around. And I actually didn't place my target, and around the 7:21 a.m. I'm on Western Pacific time. I start seeing it pull back here, and I'm thinking in my head, hey, it's probably going to touch VWAP and come back, but the buying, I should have flattened my trade at this point. It was just pulling back way too aggressively, and eventually it passes my theoretical average and it actually hits my stop, and I am down 7 ticks on this trade when I was actually up about 30 some odd ticks on the second contract. So if you guys have any comments or any suggestions of what I should have done better, or I know what I should have done better, please leave it in the comments below. Second trade here. So at this point, this is some time further out. The price had basically squeezed all the shorts up, as you can see here. It's pretty much squeezed all the shorts up all the way up to the 2520s area, and at this point it's already established its IB high here. That's I think 25, 21, 25 or so. So it's fallen back in here, pushed below the IB high, and it bounced, retraced, and I see that the liquidity is coming in, so I entered. And I placed my stop right above all that liquidity you see in the heat map there. We're speeding things up here. And I only entered in 1 contract. I don't know why I didn't enter my second contract. I think I was trying to wait for it to pull back, but like I said, I froze and I didn't enter my second contract. Well, I actually should have entered the second contract there at, you see the price there at 25.17 there. All that liquidity, it's touching 3 times and it still failed to push through. And at some point I should have entered a second contract around there. The third time it couldn't push through. So I see all the liquidity come in now. Place my target there right before all that bid liquidity, and it's just chopping around, rolling around. I still see momentum coming through from the offers up top on the heat map, so I'm staying in the trade. Keeping an eye on the order flow. Chop around, trying to be patient here. Looking for one more flush down. I start seeing offers up top on the heat map flashing in and out. And it's flushing through. And I get my second scale out. Sorry, not my second scale, my one contract out of the trade here, and now I am plus 12 ticks for the day on the ES. Okay, on to the third and last trade. I couldn't hit record fast enough here, so I already exited the trade here. It basically fell back through the IB high from the 25, 26, 25 area, so I saw it consolidating while the offers up top, and shorted for another 11 ticks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video for more, and I'll see you on the next one.